Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, April the 8th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. There's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this baby. And this baby will be a number 2600. 2600. Yes, 2600. And this baby has 26 printed digits. Yes, I've already counted. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. 26 printed digits. Yes, alright. So let me scan the puzzle. Alright. I see here in this middle row 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 8. We have a 9 and 8 in this big square. So no 9 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 9 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see there 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. All right. We have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. Then, let me see. I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 1, 5, the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 5. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then. How about the number? Yeah. 4, 5, 4, 5. The number 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column. Only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 5, so the other pair should be the 2 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then we have 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Okay. 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 How about um how about let me see. 8. Well, I cannot continue with the 8. Let me think. 3 3 3 3. Mm-hmm. 6 6. 4. Yes. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in this box. Therefore, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Same for those 2 boxes, 1 and the 5. 4 4. Okay, 4 4. All right. Yeah. Hmm. 3 3. 9 9. Interesting. 1 4 1 4 1 4 4 4. Yeah, we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. All right. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. All right. All right. 1 and a 5. 4 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and 8 in this big square, so no 6 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes in the last row. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers of 5 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 9 9. Okay. 1 1. Okay. 9 9. Let me see. 192. No, 196. Yeah. 666. 666. Interesting. 1 1 5 7. Okay. So here cannot be a 1. Yes. 2 numbers left. in this column. Those two numbers are the 1 and the 5. Well, we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, so here cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this column should be here. 1 box left in this column for the 5. All right. 5, 5, 5, 5. 1. 1, 1, 1. 2, 5 is missing here in this big square. 2, 5, and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me see. Here should be the 6. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. There 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 9, 5, and a 3. 9, 5, and a 3. No. Need to wait. 6, 1, 9. 1, 1. I need a pair. Come on, I need a pair. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 8. Let's 7. Okay, 3, 3, 1, 7. Well. 1, 5, and the 3. Yes, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this second row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 and a 5. Yeah. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. Okay, so now we have a 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. 1 and 5. Here also 9, 5. 6, 1, 5. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Right. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right. Come on. How about those 4 missing numbers? 2 is missing. 3 also missing. 3. 1, 2, 3. No, 2, 3. 6 is missing. 6 should be here. And the 8. Yeah, we have a pair. All right, we have a pair. 6 and 8 in this row, 6 and 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. This is the opening. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. Do we have all the 3s? No. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 5. Then 2 boxes left in this big square. The 2 and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. Okay. These 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 7 is missing. And the 9 is missing. Alright. 5, 7, 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is a 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And now we have a 2 there. This box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 6. Oh, alright. Then. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 2 boxes left here. The 1 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 9. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 1 box left in the last column for the number 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left. The last 2 boxes in this big square, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Medium Sudoku, 26 printed digits. If you compare, this should be a 2 stars Sudoku. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.